I bet that's what some people think will happen if you mouth tape, but you're wrong. But the truth is, you're actually not gonna suffocate because these are made to be pretty breathable. You're fine. Since I started using mouth tape, I've noticed that my jawline has gotten a lot more defined. My mouth remains shut all night while I sleep. I'm able to keep my tongue in proper posture, avoiding all of that sagging of my mouth that causes you to have that sagging turtleneck. I wake up feeling so much more rested than before, mainly because mouth taping encourages you to breathe through your nose primarily. You're getting better exchange of oxygen, getting better rests as a result. I honestly wish I started this sooner. You guys have to try it. I will link it below. Thank me in a month.